36 species in genus Scindapsus. My fascination with Scindapsus. Hi, I'm Ferbvu, and I've got a confession to make. I'm a bit obsessed with Scindapsus. These vining plants, with their heart-shaped leaves and striking variegation, have completely captured my attention. Maybe it's their effortless elegance, or perhaps it's their resilience and adaptability that draws me in. Whatever the reason, I've found myself captivated by this fascinating genus. A diverse genus. Scindapsus is a genus of flowering plants belonging to the Araceae family. Native to Southeast Asia, New Guinea, Queensland, and some western Pacific islands, these plants thrive in tropical and subtropical climates. They're often mistaken for their close relative, Epipremnum, which includes the popular pothos. While they share similarities, there are subtle differences in their growth habits and leaf structures that distinguish the two. Here are Scindapsus pictus, arguably the most popular species, known for its silvery variegation on dark green leaves. Plant FAQs: Scindapsus argyreus, Scindapsus pictus, satin pothos. Scindapsus trubii features dark green, almost black leaves with a distinctive silvery sheen. Scindapsus lucens, distinguished by its large, glossy green leaves. Plant FAQs: Scindapsus lucens. Scindapsus longestipitatus, characterized by its elongated leaves and long petioles. See full list at monsteraholic.com. Why I love them. What I love most about Scindapsus is their versatility. They can be grown in various ways, in hanging baskets, climbing up a moss pole, or even trailing along a shelf. This adaptability makes them perfect for any space, from a minimalist studio apartment to a lush, tropical garden. They're also relatively low maintenance. These plants tolerate a wide range of light conditions, though they prefer bright, indirect light to maintain their variegation. They don't need frequent watering, and they can even forgive the occasional forgetful plant parent. But beyond their practicality, Scindapsus simply brings me joy. Their vibrant foliage adds a touch of nature to my home, creating a calming and inviting atmosphere. I find myself drawn to their intricate patterns and textures, and I love watching them grow and change over time. More than just a pretty face. My interest in Scindapsus goes beyond their aesthetic appeal. I'm fascinated by their role in the ecosystem and their potential benefits. Like many aeroids, Scindapsus are known to purify the air by removing harmful toxins. They also play a crucial role in their natural habitat, providing food and shelter for various insects and animals. I'm also intrigued by the cultural significance of these plants. In some cultures, Scindapsus are believed to bring good luck and prosperity. They're often used in traditional medicine to treat various ailments. My growing collection. My journey with Scindapsus started with a single Scindapsus pictus cutting. Now, I have a growing collection of different species and cultivars, each with its unique charm. I'm constantly learning about their care and propagation, and I enjoy experimenting with different growing techniques. I'm particularly excited about the rarer varieties, like Scindapsus trubii moonlight, with its almost iridescent leaves, and Scindapsus pictus exotica, with its large, silvery blotches. I'm always on the lookout for new additions to my collection, and I love connecting with other enthusiasts online and sharing our passion for these plants. A continuing journey. My exploration of the Scindapsus genus is an ongoing journey. I'm eager to learn more about their taxonomy, their natural history, and their potential uses. I believe these plants have much to offer, both aesthetically and functionally. If you're looking for a beautiful, low-maintenance, and versatile plant to add to your home, I highly recommend Scindapsus. You might just find yourself as captivated by them as I am.